Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss the Claude Fable 5. So basically Fable is back because just uh, US have removed some of the imports from them, and now it is usable in your Claude machine, so you can check and you are going to use it. But before, let's discuss what exactly it is. So Anthropic most capable widely released model built for the hardest reasoning problems and the longest running agentic work. This is a brief tour about that one. So Claude Fable, 1 million tokens, 128 tokens max, input price, output price, and thinking always on. Use cases: long horizon autonomous agents, overnight coding runs, multi-hour research tasks, and complex refactors that needs to keep working and stay coherent without a human checking every few minutes. Hardest reasoning problems, deep multi-step analysis, ambiguous specs, and tasks were low effort models underthink or lose the thread halfway down. Repository scale code review and debugging, tracing bugs across the history, navigating large unfamiliar code bases, first shot implementations of well specified systems. Enterprise deliverables end to end, enterprise level. Financial models, spreadsheets, slide checks, formatted documents, produced start to finish, including the self verification against the specifications. Vision on hard images, dense, degraded, awkwardly oriented images. It is trained to actively use the bash and the cropping tools to work through blurry, flipped, and the noisy inputs. Multi-agent orchestration, reliable, stable coordination with long-running sub-agents, peer agents on parallel work streams. So advantages: most capable, widely released model, 1 million token contest by default, strong instruction following, responds well to explicit style and bound instructions rather than needing heavy prompt scaffolding. Dependent delegations, parallel sub-agents work. Memory aware, performs noticeable better when give a place to write learnings. Effort control, output config efforts lets you to dial intelligence versus cost latency from low to max. Okay, so what's difference from Opus? So thinking always on, chain of thought never return raw, display summarize gives a readable this, refusable stop reason, data retention required 30-day retention not available under the zero data retention, turn length hard task can run many minutes per request, plan for streaming async process, UX not a blocking call. I mean, this is an example. Okay, so when to reach for its instead of Opus. Fable is priced above Opus 4.8, that is this one, and isn't the default upgrade path. Use Claude Opus 4.8 for most of work. Reach for the Fable 5, especially when the task is long horizon, ambiguous, or at the edge of what Opus can reliable finish unintended. So in that case, you can use that one. Okay. So this is one of the best model, and it is back again. So you can use it, and I think it is free till July 7. So just take a look, and if you found something else, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.